Hello everyone, today we make together oatmeal cookies, the original American recipe. Crunchy outside, chewy inside, full of aroma and taste. Really fantastic, and really you feel you have oatmeal cookies. We will do together all the menu, and then we can tell you what is alternative for muscovado sugar. The recipe is so simple. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes. I'm pastry champion of Africa 2011. I work in cruise line almost 10 years, visit almost every country, and I bring the original recipe of dessert from each country I visit with the original aroma and the flavor. So please feel free to leave a comment. First, we have 100 gram raisin or sultana. I pour on top 1 cup of hot water and I keep aside at least 1 hour before. Then I have some spicy, 3 gram salt, 3 gram cinnamon, 1 gram nutmeg, and 3 gram baking soda. I mix together with 120 gram of flour. This is very important step. So 120 gram flour, 3 gram baking soda, 3 gram salt, 3 gram cinnamon powder, or you can add it more if you want, 115 gram of butter, 200 gram muscovado sugar, 1 large egg. First I put the butter to the RoboCup or kitchen process, and muscovado sugar 200 gram. You can add it vanilla essence if you want, it enhances the flavor. But for me, I wanted to feel the cinnamon flavor. So 135 gram of oats, all dry ingredients together. From time to time I have to stop and take the butter all the side, so to make sure the butter sugar mix it well. In case if you don't have muscovado sugar or brown sugar, you can add it 100 gram normal sugar, white sugar, crystal sugar, whatever you name it, and 100 gram molasses. Molasses is actually brown sugar in liquid way. So this is alternative recipe. Butter and sugar together, as you see. You can use RoboCup, you can use hand mixer, you can use KitchenAid. When it becomes very soft, you added 1 egg. For any successful cookies, you must use butter and sugar and wait until it becomes very fluffy. When it becomes very fluffy, it's enhance the flavor of the cookies. After 1 hour, I squeeze all the liquid from raisin. I will write all the recipe in description box below. Then I mix it with the flour and oats. Some people call it oats, some people call it chaufan. And very important, you mix the raisin with the flour, so when you bake it, it's not to go down or the bottom of the tray. Now it's ready. I remove the knife or blade. Since I make mistake, I added the flour here. I should take it to another bowl, but I make mistake to show you don't do it. So as you see, in the food process there is a hole and they make big mess when I use it. So the better way, after you mix the flour, as you see, the flour and sugar fluffy, then you added the eggs, you remove into bowl as I did now, and then you can add it whole dry ingredients. When you mix butter and sugar in any recipe, especially fruit cake, English cake, any kind of cookies, the volume is increased and becomes hashy, and the taste of the cookies will be so smooth and you can feel really melt in your mouth. Now I mix all ingredients together, make sure it becomes nice dough. Mix it well, don't leave any dry. Of course, if you use a big quantity, you can use KitchenAid or dough mixer. The dough is really soft, very good, and you will see the way I make the cookies. It's really chewy outside, chewy inside, crust outside, and when you taste, you can feel it's real oatmeal cookies. Some chefs, they have the same recipe, and when they roll it, they put some chocolate chips on top. I like to have the all original oatmeal. As you see, I roll it small ball, like bing bong balls. From experience, you can take all the same size. And if you want to move faster, you can use ice cream scoop, or you use digital scale, because some companies, they use it to serve in coffee shop or takeaway like Starbucks, so they need big size and all the same, so they use the scale. Now is I use 30 gram and I think it's beautiful size. And if you want a little bigger, little smaller, it's up to you. So you can use different scoop of ice cream, or you can use this digital scale, and it will help you to make all the same size. When you roll it, I just little push down. I don't push too much. Why? Because I want when it go to the oven, it just melted with the temperature, and to keep the center is cold or the center is chewy. So 180 degree for 9 minutes. I make 10, but the correct is 9 minutes. So 180 degree for 9 minutes, and you will have the most delicious oatmeal cookies melted in your mouth. You can, as you see, serve it to your friend. Please, if you like the video, make subscribe to my channel, leave the comment and put like. Have a good day, guys. Ahmad Younes.